Hello, Netta Talmor here from No Hassle website and all things No Hassle. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot of your entire screen, not only the top part, but everything on the page, everything you scroll on. So this is super useful if you see a page or a sales page or some inspiration and you want to save it, but you're not sure how to save the entire page. I will show you how to do it. Those of you who know me know that I love Chrome extensions. So you need to use the Chrome browser, and then there are a ton of wonderful, amazing extensions that allow you to do all kinds of things. For example, capture your entire page. So the one that we're talking about today is called Full Page Screen Capture. So all you need to do is go to Google and write Full Page Screen Capture. Google that, and you will find this link. Okay, you're looking for the link that starts with chrome.google, right? So let's click on that. Now I already have this installed on my computer, so it's not offering me to install it, it's offering me to remove it. But obviously for you, if it's the first time you're installing it, it will offer you the ability to install it. So just click a couple of clicks and you should have the Full Page Screen Capture installed on your Chrome browser, and you're going to see it as a little icon here at the top. So you see this one that looks like a camera? Great. So now that we have that, I'm going to close this window and I'm going to show you, this is the home page of my website. And as you can see, you need to scroll a lot to capture everything, but our beautiful new Chrome extension is going to do it for us. All you need to do once you have it installed is click on it. It will start screenshotting the entire page, capturing the entire page, and then it will show us everything as one beautiful long file. Now, because I have the camera on, you can see my face here repeatedly, but usually, obviously, you won't see that. You'll just see all the text and all the images and everything that was on the page. And at this point, you can either download it as a PDF or download it as an image, or simply trash it if you don't want it. After all, that's basically it. It's a wonderful way to keep beautiful images, beautiful pages, inspirational pages, or sales pages, or website that you love for future reference. And you can then just, create a folder on your computer and put all of those there so you can refer to them later. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Let me know if you need anything else or have any other questions. Bye-bye. Ciao.